Yeah, man. Really good color combination.
Should we pick the frag cannons?
We should probably do the artillery support. Nothing bad is gonna happen, ever.
Oh, ship's over there.
I'm gonna try to take out the Corvette.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, there's a lot of them. Oh, we're going down.
Come here, come to the healing point.
Oh wait, we upgraded the scatter reactor to level 2?
What are you doing? Fix the fire!
Don't let me! I'm making pizza!
Here we go.
Oh my god.
I'm being lasered! Woo!
I'm so good at this game.
We're gonna take down the fighters. You go for the Corvette.
Yeah, I'm moving, Daddy. Let's go.
I gotta fix this leak. Okay, we're good. We're good.
Railgun.
Nice. No, the jump drive! Plug the jump drive back in!
Go, 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 go!
Yes!
This is what happens when you eat pineapple on your pizza.